Unraveling the Mystery. Bug off. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, bug off. You might have heard it in movies, TV shows, or in everyday conversation. It's a unique expression, and understanding it can really enhance your grasp of informal English. So, let's get started. The phrase, bug off, is an informal, somewhat slang way of telling someone to go away or to leave you alone. It's not very polite, and it's often used in a somewhat irritated or annoyed tone. Think of it as a less harsh way of saying, go away, or leave me alone, but still not something you'd say in a formal or polite conversation. It's quite interesting to look at where phrases come from. The term bug, in bug off, originally meant to annoy or bother. So, when someone says, bug off, they're essentially saying, stop bothering me. This phrase is believed to have originated in the mid-20th century, becoming popular in American English and later spreading to other English-speaking regions. 3.1 in conversation. Bug off is mostly used in casual, informal conversations. You might use it with friends, in a light-hearted way, or when you're slightly annoyed but don't want to be too rude. However, it's important to understand the tone and context, as it can be taken the wrong way if used improperly. 3.2 What to avoid. Avoid using bug off in formal settings, with authorities or elders, or when you are in a professional environment. It can come across as disrespectful or too casual. If you're looking for less informal or more polite ways to express the same sentiment, you could use phrases like, please give me some space. I need to be alone right now. Could you leave me alone for a moment? These alternatives convey a similar message but are more appropriate for varied situations, especially when politeness is required. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, bug off. Now you know what it means, where it came from, and how to use it, or not use it, in everyday English. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, understanding these nuances in language can really make a difference in your English journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.